One of the most useful accessories you can add to a kitchen sink is a pump soap dispenser. The problem is you have to refill them constantly because the bottle attached to the pump is only about a pint-sized bottle. And so it's empty and you have to fill it. Now, how do you fill these easily? Well, there is no way. Either you have to remove the bottle, fill it with a larger bottle of soap, or you have to remove the pump and try pouring it down there. But then you can't see when the bottle's full and it has a tendency to overflow onto the sink. So here's the solution. Go out to a hardware store or home center and buy a length of flexible clear tubing. This is about a 1/4 inch diameter. And what we're going to do is extend the tube on the pump. So just stick the fill tube from the pump onto the tubing. Just wedge it on maybe a 1/2 inch or so. And now take the other end of the tubing, feed it down through the hole in the sink, put the pump back, and now reach under there, find the opposite end. Now what you can do is take it and just put it right into an economy-sized jug of liquid soap. Put it right through the top, all the way down there. And now just start pumping. Now it might take a few minutes for the soap to come out, but with that giant jug down there, you'll only have to refill this maybe once every couple of months, maybe even not even that often. And now once the tube is filled, a couple of quick pumps and the soap's coming right out. And now there's one less excuse for not doing the dishes.